You can change the watch bands of your Samsung Galaxy Watch in a few steps. Here's how. For this video, I'll be using a Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. These directions will also work for the Galaxy Watch 4, 5, and 7. Now, there are two types of watch bands we will cover in this video. First is the one-click button watch band, which will have this button on the back. The other is the quick release with lever, which will on the back have a lever here. For the one-click button watch band, first turn over to the back of the watch. Use your thumb's fingernail to press the button and pull the band up away from the watch. Then release the button. Repeat these steps for the other band. To install the one-click watch band, press the button with your fingernail and then place the band in position. Then release the button. Gently twist the band to confirm it is correctly secured in place. Repeat this process for the other band. For quick release with lever watch bands, to remove, press the lever inward, then gently pull the band away from the watch at an angle. Repeat this for the other watch band. To install a watch band with the quick release lever, hold the band at an angle and slide the pin into the notch. Then press in the lever and slide the other end of the band into place. Release the lever. Gently pull the band to confirm it is securely attached. Repeat this process for the other band. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Until next time.